Okay, this video is to help you with the construction triangles, angles, and sides. So on the Schoology page, this would be in week, just move this out the way, week 6, and it's a desmos construction, and it says triangles, triangle, angle, and sides desmos construction. So you're going to go to Desmos. If the graphing calculator pops up, just click on Desmos in the top middle part of your screen, and it'll take you to this screen, this page. Then you're going to click on Math Tools and go to the Geometry tool. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to construct a triangle. So we want to click on the Polygon tool. Polygons include triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, and so on. So we're going to choose a point. Triangle has 3 points. So we're going to choose another point and then choose a third point, and then you're just going to click on one of those existing points and it will stop creating the triangle. Then I'm going to make this triangle a little bit bigger, and I'm going to measure all the angles in this triangle. So I'm going to use my angle tool, and I'm going to measure this top angle right here. So this top angle is made up of these 2 sides and this point, which is called the vertex. So I'm going to click on either side, then I'm going to click on the vertex and click on the other side, and you'll see that angle popping up right as you're about to click on that other side. And I'm just going to repeat that process for each of these angles. So I'm going to measure this angle on the bottom, on the right, which is made up of this vertex and these 2 sides. So I'm going to click on one side, click on the vertex, and then click on the other side. Repeat it one more time. Click on one side, click on the vertex, click on the other side, and you should have all 3 of your angles there. And if you add those angles together, for me I have 73, 59, and 47. So I'm going to quickly add those together and see what I get. 12 plus 7, that'd be 19. 12, 13, and 4 would be 1. So I got 179. Should be 180, and what happens is Desmos will round off some of your angles if they're closer. Maybe this is closer to 59 than it is to 60. It should be 180, but as you remember from class, some of us got 181, some of us got 179, and a few people got 180 right on the dot. Okay, the next thing we want to do is measure all 3 sides. So I'm going to click on this select tool, and I'm going to click on one side of the angle, and this menu pops up on the left. I'm just going to click that box that says label, and it's going to measure each side. So let's do that again. I'm going to click on the side, click on the box. There's the measurement. Click on this last side, click on the box, and now I have all 3 sides measured. Now I'm going to make these 3 sides different lengths, and I'm going to make it, really obvious that they're different. I don't want any 2 of them to be too close to each other. So I'm going to make an obtuse triangle. Okay, that gives me angles 124, 39, 17. Your angles could be different. Your sides could be different. They don't have to be the same, but try not to have 2 sides that are really close together in length. Kind of make it obvious that it's a scalene triangle. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on my largest angle. So for me, my largest angle is 124. So you click on your largest angle. Okay, so I'm going to click on my largest angle and make it orange. And then I'm going to click on my largest side, my longest side, and make it the same color. Okay, now I'm going to click on my smallest angle. So I've got a 17-degree angle right here and a 39-degree angle over here. I'm going to click on the 17-degree angle and make it green. And I'm going to click on my smallest side, which is 4.47, and make it the same color. And then I'm just going to make this angle that is 39, my middle angle, blue, because my third side over here is already blue. So what you're doing is you're clicking on your largest angle and your longest side. You're measuring that, you're just making those the same color, and then you're going to do the same thing with your smallest angle and your smallest side. And what you'll notice is if you change this triangle around, okay, I could make that orange side the smallest side, and the green side is the longest side. But what you're noticing is, or you should be noticing, is the biggest angle is always across from the longest side. The largest angle is across from the largest side. So you should have a card that says exactly that. The largest angle is across from the largest side. The smallest angle is across from the smallest side. So if you play around with this a little bit, move it around, see if that's true, see if it holds true. And what's nice about Desmos is you can for yourself. I noticed that some of you had a little difficulty with measuring those angles, so hopefully this video can help you with that process. Okay.